Hi, I'm Ryan, and welcome to my coding bootcamp journey. In this series, I will share my experiences as I learn to code through Flatiron School's web development program. If you know anyone that would enjoy this series, please send them to the link at the bottom of the screen. So, what is new this week? I've nearly wrapped up the Sinatra module. So I had to delay finishing up a lab due to time constraints. There just I had to get started on the project, and which I did. So I've decided to build a pack list app where you set, like, if you're going on some like a camping trip or road trip or flying or whatever, here's a list of stuff you have to pack. So yeah, that's what's been going on this week. And as far as struggles, I had to play a bit of catch up this week because I was dealing with some vertigo last week, which I talked about in that video. And as far as actually the actual work, the one of the bigger ones was dependency errors with the coding environment. So I was getting like big decimal is deprecated, and that was one of the more prominent errors that I was getting. And the basis for that is that there were changes to the way active record migration worked. They made some changes to that aspect after they created the labs that I was working on. So I had to just contact some technical coaches, and they walked me through some changes that I had to make to the test files and environment files and whatnot. And also, I was having some difficulty getting the controllers and the views to properly talk with each other. This was a new process for me, so it was pretty. Now controllers kind of determine they're like the traffic cops. Like if you go to insert website dot com slash posts or whatever. Yeah, let's just, insert website dot com slash I don't even know if that's an actual website. I haven't checked. But anyway, so insert website, whatever slash blog. And if it's, created by, if it was created by an MVC, then there'd be an entry, a get entry of as in GET, not GIT. But there would be an entry on there as far as, okay, they went to slash posts or slash blog. I forget which one I said, but anyway, and in that it would have like a set of instructions of what want the back end to do, as far as, do you just render a certain page, or do you like create like an object with certain information in it, or what have you. So and then the view is like the HTML page that you're actually presented with. So there are certain attributes and whatnot that that's how the controllers and the views actually talk to each other, and so kind of learning how that is actually done was a bit difficult. So yeah, those were yeah, those were my struggles this week. And as far as victories, the I in kind of my research and kind of setting up this project, I learned about the corneal gem, as CORNEAL. And what that does is sets up, the file structure of the MVC, and kind of, and stubs out a basic environment, and it really cut down on a lot of setup tasks that I didn't have to set up all of these directories and all of these different files that are that define how everything works, and relates to each other and whatnot. So yeah, that really cut down on a lot of work for me. So whoever made that gem, thank you. And also, I potentially will be a mentor to someone at the co-working space. She just started herself learning Ruby through through a different program. So I'm not expecting her to reach out to me with help on on something, but yeah, I would definitely consider her a friend. We connect. I would say we connect pretty well. So yeah, to be able to mentor someone else through those through the early stages of learning how Ruby works, and all that kind of thing. Yes, I would call that a victory. And what am I looking forward to? So I've already kind of started on the project. I've gotten yeah, I would say I have all of the views all set up, and the basic routes, and and all that. So I have the basis for everything kind of worked out. So right now I'm kind of starting to work through the more complex aspects of it. So I am definitely looking forward to getting that finished up. And next week we have a break. So so I'm definitely looking forward to having a break. And so there will be no video. I will not record a video next week. And so the next video that I release will be a walkthrough of the project, so you'll see it all work in all its glory. Let's hope I don't eat those words. Um, but anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. Yeah, this feels like a really short and rushed video. It's just I just there's a lot flying around in here, as far as trying to catch up after dealing with with the vertigo last week, and everything that I still have a sizable lab that I have to finish, but it's more pertinent for me to get the get the project done in time. So I'm having to kind of delay finishing that. I only have one income unfinished lab in the Sinatra module. So it's not too bad, but yeah, I'm a bit distracted if in case that wasn't obvious. So anyway, that's all I have for you this week. So I do thank you for watching. If you want to stay up to date, please like and subscribe, and feel free to check out the rest of this series. And if you have any comments or questions, please post them below, and I'll see you in the next chapter.